hate diapers in general. I'm done cloth diapering. Is this thing on? Like, I've been trying to make this video for a while. I just want to express like all of my concerns and whatnot. I'm like, this is the last straw. He just told me caca. He already pooped before. This is what's going on. So I'm just like, it's my fault. It's my fault. I am freaking done cloth diapering. I'm done. I'm done cloth diapering. My son is 2 years old now. I've been done changing poopy diapers for like the past 3 months. Maybe 2 months. His poop is just like, I'm done. Like, I don't want to do it anymore. Because I don't want to deal with the poop. I don't want to spray the diapers. Like, I just can't. I don't have time. I don't have patience. I don't want to smell it. It's disgusting. Patience. It's disgusting. It's seedy. It stinks. I'm just not doing it anymore. So I've decided to buy a box of disposables for my 2-year-old. And I've been trying to like keep him in disposables until he poops and then switch to cloth at night, or just cloth after he's taken his daily poop.
But sometimes he does 2 a days. So then I make the mistake of putting a cloth diaper on him, and then he says caca like now, and he has pooped. And I'm just angry because now I have to spray yet another nasty poopy diaper.
It would be great if his poops were solid, but they're not. They're mushy and disgusting, and sometimes they leak out of the diapers, so that's gross. Ugh. And so, like, now I'm at the point where, like, okay, he's pooped, and I don't want to, like, have this happen again, so do I just get, like, a disposable diaper? I'm gonna insert a clip of like what I've been faced with. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at this. And then I have to go put this like back. Like, I mean back. I have to go spray this in the toilet. Like, this is nasty. Like, a liner would help just the middle part, but there would still be poop everywhere. So like, either way, you're still spraying. I hate it. What do I do? Is it cloth or disposable? Like, I'm just like, so I'm like at my heart's, I don't know what the word is. I'm like torn in two because like I wanted to be like eco-friendly with these children. But now that he's reached a certain point, his poops are disgusting and I don't want to do it anymore. But do you see what we have here? Baby sister is going to be cloth diapered for now during the day. So basically, I've just gone back to like my old habits. I started cloth diapering with my newborn son, and then we did disposables at night. I'm doing disposables for her at night just because they hold a little bit better and longer. I'm trying like not to do as many diaper changes at night to wake her up because I'm trying to sleep. So I'm done cloth diapering my son. Still gonna cloth diaper her part-time during the day. And just depending on, like, where we go. He needs to be potty trained. I just don't have the energy to deal with that right now. But before 3, hopefully, is a goal. But yes, unfortunately, I've made the decision. Yeah, once they hit 2 or 1.5 or whenever their poops start to get nasty, like, I'm not doing it anymore. I love cloth diapering newborns because it's just pee and breastfed poop. Like, I love breastfed poop. Ah, get out of breastfed poop is like the best because it doesn't stink. It smells so much better than like toddler poops. It really does. It smells so much better. Like, you guys understand, it's like mustardy. And the great thing about cloth diapering and breastfed poop is it's water soluble, if you didn't know that. So you could just like rinse it and then wash it. But with actual poop, once they start eating solids and whatnot, it's a whole nother game. It's a whole nother level of disgusting, and like I'm just not here for it. Like it's too much. There's too many diapers. I'm not here for it. So bro, I'm done. Like I don't know why I keep making this mistake. He pooped again. Like he had a disposable on, and he pooped this morning, so I was thinking, okay, great. But no, I had him in his room for maybe like 20 or 30 minutes just now. And then I come and bring him back to the living room, and lo and behold, he freaking pooped again. Like, I'm not mad at him. It's not his fault. It's my fault. Because I keep putting him in these freaking cloth diapers, thinking that he's done pooping, and he's not. Now I have to deal with this. Like, bro, I'm so done. Like, it's just like I have the diapers thinking, okay, this is fine. We could just do it for pee. But, like, no, bro. I mean, we can do it for pee, but I don't know when he's going to pee. And I'm not with him all the time. Like, I'm with him. He's here. But, like, I'm doing things. I can't just stare at him all day and wait till he poops. So now that I'm about to change him, it's like I don't even want to put another freaking cloth diaper on because I don't want that possibility. The liners don't help. Like, I don't see. But here I have a freaking cloth diaper because I know that he's done pooping. Like, he never poops three times in a day. It's only 2. Like, what do I do? Cloth or disposable? Like, I don't know. Like, I know he's not going to poop, but I'm just gonna put it on because I don't know what to do with my life. Like, I'm tired. I'm tired. I need a break, and this is freaking disgusting. Bro, this is so nasty. Just look, like, it's just gross. I do not want to do this. I can't believe people do this for a living. No wonder why they send kids to school, like, already potty trained. Like, I've also tried to do liners too, but like that really doesn't help as much. Like the disposable liners for poopy cloth diapers, because saves the middle of the diaper, but it still gets on the sides. So I still have to spray it. It's still nasty. So I don't know, maybe whatever kind of liners I have are just not. But he has any pointers or tips on poop and cloth diapering? But right now, like, I'm so done cloth diapering the 2-year-old. I can't do it. I don't want to. It sucks because I don't know what else to do to, like, offset my carbon footprint. Our garbage is going to get fuller, which sucks. Oh, no. But I'm just done. Oh, no. I'm done. Oh, no. Oh, no. Bye, Dingdongs.
Trying to find love in the city of gold.